What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video I'm going to be doing a little unboxing here of some new fog lights that I got for the Tahoe. As you can see, the old ones, they don't work and they're missing their lenses. So these are going to look a lot better here. I just got some cheap ones off of Amazon. They are like smoked, kind of going with all blacked out type of build here. So here they are. This is the left side one over there. See, just your ordinary ones. I was gonna get the ones with the little LED bars because I'm doing the rest of my lights with the little LED or like DRL bars in them, but they were pretty expensive, so I just got these cheap ones. But I think they'll look pretty good. All you got to do to take these out is just unplug them. I don't know if you can see back there. Just unplug them. Just lift up on that top part and pull. And then there's just two 10mm bolts, as you can see. There's the two bolts, so you can kind of get a picture of where they're going to be here. Just up above there. Alright, we got them in there. This one went in there perfect. Nice and even. Flush. This one is a little crooked. As you can see, not very even. Kind of up a little high. But it is still flush though. So definitely looks a lot better. I'll go ahead and peel this little plastic off here. There they are. Go ahead and turn them on here and show you what they look like. Alright, here they are. Don't mind my one little running light on this side is busted out. Headlights are coming next, so stay tuned for that. But there they are. They look good. I'm gonna make sure they're level here. Before I put them in, I adjusted them with the same amount of turns, so they should be level to each other at least.